This is my day 2 hair and it still looks good. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Hey sunshines, and welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. For my silk press today, I'm going to use the Keratin Revamp Kit, which includes shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and silk infusion, along with my ORS Olive Oil Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse, Ion Heat Protecting Smoothing Spray, some duck clips, a wax stick, my hooded dryer, BaByliss Pro TT Titanium Steam Straightener, Kipozi Pencil Titanium Flat Iron, my Red Kiss handleless blow dryer, and some black mega wrap strips. I'm starting off looking dusty and crusty. I got a mini fro at the top and an old twist and curl underneath. But don't worry, my hair will be looking like an easy breezy, beautiful cover girl by the time I'm finished. But all jokes aside, I got to get all this product out of my head and get my ends together because my hair is screaming SOS. Please, someone help me. To bring it back to life, I'm starting off with the Keratin Silk Infusion Shampoo. It got all the gunk out of my hair, all while being gentle on my hair. And of course, I had to come in with my Lux Therapy Scalp Soother to get all up in my scalp. And if you haven't seen my review on it, make sure you check it out. I thoroughly washed my hair 2 times with the shampoo, and now it's time to deep condition with the Keratin Reconstructing Conditioner. Now, all of these products that I've used in this line are smelling so good and remind me of being in a salon. And I'm heavy-handed with the conditioner, so I applied a ton, but didn't want to bore you by making you watch all of the clips of me applying and reapplying the conditioner. So once all the conditioner is in, I finger detangle and then detangle with my Denman brush so that I can put my hair in a bun and put my shower cap on. Don't worry about that one little piece hanging out. I did fix it off camera and put it in the shower cap. And I'm going to let this sit in my hair under my hoodie dryer for 20 minutes and then rinse it out. To prep my hair, I'm using the Cheese Silk Infusion Leave-In Conditioner and my Ion Heat Protectant. I spray the leave-in on my hair first, massage it in, and then rake it through my hair with my fingers. And once I feel like my hair has absorbed it, I move on to the heat protectant and follow the exact same process of massaging and raking it through my hair, and then twist the section back up so I can move on to the next section and repeat. And then once all the sections have been prepped, I unclip the twist and apply one last application of the leave-in and heat protectant. When blow drying, I like to hold my hair tight, but not too tight. Just a few inches from my roots and glide the blow dryer down the shaft of my hair. I hold it somewhat tight to help with stretching my hair, which makes it easier to get my hair to blow dry straight. And once I blow dry a section, I don't twist it back up. I just leave it as is and move on to the next section to blow dry until my entire head is dry. I put my hair in a low ponytail so I can mold my edges with my ORS Mousse. And I got this idea from Tiara J's How to Lay That Leave Out in Full Extension Maintenance Routine video that she did last year. And I obviously don't have extensions, but I figured that this should still work for my silk press just as well. So I'm just brushing my hair back to help lay it down, and I don't have a set amount of mousse that I add. I just add it until I feel like it's enough and try to only apply it to my edges. And once it's enough to my liking, I tie down 3 black neck strips and get under the dryer. Now, Tiara J suggested staying under the dryer for 15 minutes, but I did 10 minutes because I was already hot before I got under the dryer. My edges aren't bone straight right now, but they are molded just right to help me with straightening my edges later. I'm adding a small amount of Keratin Silk Infusion to my hair before I flat iron it. I flat iron my hair in sections, so instead of applying the silk infusion all over my head, I do it in sections to make sure that I don't miss any parts of my hair. And once I'm ready to flat iron my hair, I use my fingers to section off pieces of hair to flat iron. Then I take my rat tail comb to comb through the piece of hair to ensure I don't have any unexpected tangles. And if the comb glides through with ease, then I start the chase method, where I put the rat tail comb in front of the flat iron and chase the comb with the flat iron. I only did one pass of the flat iron on each piece of hair, and my flat iron was set to 30, and the highest setting that it goes up to is 40. As I flat iron my hair and work my way up to my edges, that's when I straighten them. I know a lot of people straighten their edges first, but this way just works for me and my flow. So if that works for you, do you, but this is what works for me. So I section off a small area of edges, comb through it with the rat tail comb, and do a couple passes with my pencil flat iron. But I will say, this pencil flat iron, this is my first time using it, and I'm loving this little flat iron, and it was so inexpensive. I paid a little over $20 for it, and it was money well spent because it definitely straightens my edges way better than my regular flat iron. Straightening my edges have been an issue for me when I do my silk presses at home, but between this molding method with this mousse and this pencil flat iron, I don't have to worry about that anymore. After I straighten my edges, I just go back to flat iron my hair with my larger 1.5 inch flat iron. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. I've never cut my hair before, but I'm tired of my thin see-through ends, so I'm going to be brave and just cut them bad boys off. This is definitely not a trim though. Due to I didn't go all up in my hair and trim all of my hair, I plan on trying that out next, but not today. I gotta take baby steps. So I basically just brought all my hair to the front and cut off the thin ends and tried to match up both sides so that one side isn't drastically shorter or longer than the other side. And I also cut the hair in front, which is shorter than the rest of my hair. And I ended up going back in and cutting more hair off because I wanted it a little bit shorter. I put my Slim Thick Curls length check shirt on so that I can keep track of my hair's progress. And prior to cutting my hair, I had 2 itty bitty strings of hair grazing line 10 right below Look at God. And now I'm at line 7 right above Long Hair Don't Care. And here are the results after being flat ironed and cut. It's cool, but I need some bouncy curls in my life. Again, I'm starting off by sectioning my hair with my fingers and combing it before I apply my flat iron. I personally prefer to use a flat iron over a curling iron to curl my hair, so I'm going to use the same flat irons that I use to straighten my hair to curl it. I like for my curls to go away from my face, so I'm taking my flat irons and curling backwards to create my loose curls. And after the curl has been formed, I just hold the curl formation in my hand until the hair cools off, and then pin curl my hair in the direction that the curl was made in and clip it up with a duck clip. And here I'm just showing you how I pin curl my hair. I'm twirling my hair around in a circle while constantly keeping one finger in the middle of the circle at all times. Even when I switch hands while twirling my hair around, I make sure to keep a finger in the middle. And I curl and pin curl my hair in big sections to achieve my bouncy curls. My hair isn't the thickest and I don't want super tight curls, so this works perfectly for my hair. And here I'm just showing you a different angle of me pin curling my hair, but it's the same process. Now, when I get to the front where I have majority of my hair on one side, I curl the section a little differently, but still going away from my face. The only difference is that I take the flat iron up and back to curl this section. This is how my hair looks once all 5 sections are pin curled. I have a part down the middle of my head, but that will be gone shortly, and I will only be left with my intentional slanted part in the front. So now it's time to remove all the clips and finish styling my hair. It doesn't really matter how my hair falls once I remove the clips due to I'm going to reposition them the way I want them anyways. I didn't leave the pin curls in long. Once I did the last pin curl, I only left it in for about 5 minutes and then removed all of them. Normally, I would leave them in overnight due to I prefer day 2 hair, which you saw at the beginning of the video, but for the sake of the video, that's why I only left it in 5 minutes and then took it right back out. Right now, I'm reversing the curls so that they float in a backwards direction away from my face and comb through the top of my hair only. By doing this, it helps remove any unwanted parts like the one you saw in the back of my head. Now I'm just taking my wax stick and applying it to my edges to give them an extra soft hold, and then lightly apply the wax stick to my hand so that I can apply it to my flyaways. Here are my final results. If you made it through the entire video, drop me a sunshine emoji in the comments and let me know what you think about my results. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles. Mwah.